Hi guys, and welcome back to Sugar or Shit. I would like to talk about the FDA for starters. The US FDA, or the Food and Drug Administration, that is a federal agency of the Department of Health and Human Services. Its responsibilities include protecting and promoting public health through the control and supervision of food safety, tobacco products, dietary supplements, prescriptions and over-the-counter pharmaceutical drugs, vaccines, biopharmaceuticals, blood transfusions, medical devices, ERED, which are electromagnetic radiation emitting devices, cosmetics, and animal food and feeds, and also veterinary products. This agency was formed June 30th in 1906 with around 14,820 members and an annual budget of $3.16 billion. It has 223 field offices and 13 laboratories located through the 50 states, the United States, Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico. In the year 2008, it began to post employees to foreign countries, including China, India, Costa Rica, Chile, Belgium, and the United Kingdom. Now, supposedly, the FDA's best-known job is to evaluate new drugs before they can be sold. That's where the CDER, or the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, comes in. They first have to test it on animals and then people. With that being said, vaccine development is a long, complex process, often ranging between 10 to 15 years, involving a combination of both public and private participation. With cancer drugs, the approval process can take anywhere from 6 to 12 years, but the timeline differs depending on the rarity of the disease being treated. Also, if they have enough people to test it on. With that being said, the clinical trial phase could take years to complete. Sometimes there are multiple trials to be completed to measure the effectiveness of this medication. Participants are followed over a period of time. Some patients are given even a dummy medication, or what they call inactive meds, while others are given the real drug to compare. This is where the NIH, or the National Institutes of Health, comes in at. They are now working side by side with the FDA and manufacturers and these so-called experts to speed up the emergency use authorization for new tests that can increase production.